Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm handling another viewer request, and this time it's a dessert. Byron Chandler has asked me to put together a no-bake cherry cheesecake, and I think I've come up with the perfect combination of sweet, tart, and chocolate. Let's see what we're going to need. The chocolate portion is an Oreo cookie crust. For that we need 26 Oreo cookies, now that's 2 sleeves, along with a 1/4 cup of butter melted. We're going to process these in the food processor until they're fine crumbs, and then we'll mix in the butter. And this we just press into the bottom of a 9-inch pie plate. Try to get this as even as possible. This needs to be pressed in quite firmly. Alright, let's get started on the filling. Unlike most no-bake cheesecake recipes that call for cream cheese, sugar, and Cool Whip, we'll be using cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice, and vanilla. This all gets mixed with a hand mixer until it's nice and creamy. Alright, this is getting covered, and then it's going either in the refrigerator overnight or in the freezer for 4 hours. Aside from my moderate dislike of white chocolate, I have an intense dislike of sweet cherry pie filling, so I'm going to be putting together a tart cherry pie topping to go on top of our cheesecake. The ingredients for this are fairly simple. This is just 14.5 ounces of tart pitted cherries in their liquid, along with 1/3 cup of white sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of almond extract, and a pinch of kosher salt. The red food coloring is optional, but it will make this look very red and pretty. All the ingredients for this tart cherry pie topping go into a small saucepan over medium heat until they're slightly thickened and bubbling. Now, if you find that your tart cherry filling is just a little too thick, you can thin it with pomegranate juice. All this needs to cool completely until we either spread it on top of the cheesecake or we ladle it on each slice. Time to give this cheesecake a taste. I know it's delicious. A little bit of everything. That is wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications notifications to keep up to date with our recipes. Don't forget to like our Facebook page for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and follow us on Twitter for sneak peeks of upcoming videos and the random cat picture.